This right here is Australia's most popular first aid kit. It's from Survival First Aid and it's got literally hundreds more 5-star reviews than anything else on the market. And here's why. On the outside, you've got a CPR guide. Everything's colour-coded and there's QR codes for restocking and any extra info. The D-rings and straps mean you can mount it just about anywhere. Inside, black pockets are for utilities, splinter probes, shears, everything you need out bush. See these little numbers right here? Very clever. When it comes time to restock, those numbers tell you exactly how many you need. Flip it over and you've got personal pockets, great for meds and essentials. Now, everything blue right here is for hygiene. Think saline, gloves, and that kind of thing. The red section is for trauma. Here, you've got all your bandages and dressings to treat most first aid emergencies, including snake bites. No doubt about it, this has got to be one of the easiest first aid kits to use. There's no wonder they've got hundreds of 5-star reviews. Check them out for yourself at survivalfirstaidkits.net.au.